In this problem, here we have a square and only this two segment and this angle are given. And the question is we have to find out the area of this square. So let's solve it. First, let's call these vertices of the square as A, B, E, and this is F, and this is C and D. Since this is a square, let the length of this side as A. So AF is equals to FE is equals to A. So this all side are A. Now let call this angle X. Angle ADC is X. Since triangle ADC is a right triangle, so the sum of these two angles ADC and ACD is 90 degree, and ADC is X, so this angle will be 90 minus X. So angle ACD is 90 minus X. And since this segment CD is perpendicular to DE, while ADF are lie on the same straight line, so this angle will be 90 minus X, because the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. And DFE, triangle DFE, is also a right triangle. So the remaining angle, which is DEF, will be X. Now look carefully at this two triangle ADC and triangle FDE. We have that this angle is X, where in triangle BFE this angle is X. So you can see that this triangle ADC is similar to triangle FDE. So from similarity we can write that DC over DE is equals to AD over FE is equals to AC over DF. So now take these two, DC over DE is equals to AD over FE, and we know that DC is 2 and DE is 3. So by simplifying we can write that AD is equals to, this is 2 over 3, so 2 over 3 times FE, which is the side length of this square. So this is A. So AD is 2 by 3 times A. So now take this another 2. This is DC by DE is equals to AC over DF. Or by simplifying we can write that DF is equals to DE over DC times AC. Or we can write that DE is 3 and DC is 2 times AC. Now notice something very important, that D lie on this side AF. Therefore AF is equals to AD plus DF. And now put the value of AD and DF here, which we have got previously. This is AD. So we can write that AF, which is the side of this square. So this is A, and AD, this is 2 by 3 times A, plus DF, which is 3 by 2 times AC. By rearranging we can write that 3 by 2 times AC is equals to A minus 2 by 3 times A, which is equals to a by 3, or by simplifying we can write that AC is equals to 2 by 9 times A. So AC is equals to 2 by 9 times A. Now look at this triangle ADC. This is a right triangle. So we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write from triangle ADC that AC square plus AD square is equals to DC square. So now substitute the value of AC and AD here. So this AC is 2 by 9 times A square plus AD, which is 2 by 3 times A square, is equals to DC, which is 2 square. Or we can write that this is 4 by 81 times A square plus this is 4 by 9 times A square is equals to 4. Or we can write A square plus, so multiply denominator numerator by 9, we can write 36 by 81 times x square is equals to 4. Or adding these two, we can write that 40 by 81 square is equals to 4. Or by simplifying, we can write that a square is equals to 4 times 81 by 40, which is equals to 81 by 10, or a square is equals to 8.1 square unit. And we know that the area of the square is a square. So our answer is the area of square, which is a square, is equals to 8.1 square unit.